number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50 lives away, you split it. 100 racks, I'ma spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. That jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that.
Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer. The Tamer, bringing you guys a very special video. This is actually a partnership, ambassadorship, if you will, by the lovely ladies over there at Vorr Lashes. That's right, me and Vorr Lashes have tamed up to bring you guys this really dope makeup slash lash combination, if you will. And this will be an ongoing thing on a monthly basis, and we will be testing out all their lashes that they have over there. So Vorr Lashes is definitely Dallas based, so it's in Dallas, Texas. I have the pleasure of speaking with them. They're very sweet, very knowledgeable. They definitely stick by their product, which is very, very good for me. And on top of that, is a Black-owned business. So I definitely be leaving all of their social media links, all that fun stuff, websites of how to cop their lashes. So I haven't taken a look that's inside this box. Okay, so I did, but I didn't. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. There's no point in lying. We're not gonna lie. Yeah. And my sister is here, but she's gonna be quiet. At least try to. Right?
No.
She gonna try to be quiet. We was having a pajama party.
I'm gonna try to wear the lashes.
No, she not. They not even in the length that she wear. Thank you.
Oh, 50 millimeters?
Baby, this is all me.
Not happy.
Came up, that's
Okay.
all me. All me for it. Anywho, it says from Vorr Lashes. Gave me a thank you card. So sweet. You know. I'm not going to read the back of it, but of course, when you get your own personal box, you will get to read your own. And this is the lash palette, if you will. We're going to chunk the box real fast. And it's all wrapped up, all pretty and everything. So I'm going to pop that open. And it's cute. It's actually, it looks like a little gift. Like, you know, for fat people, this looks like chocolate. But it's not. It's lashes. So it's something like, it's candy for the eyes, if you will.
That's pretty.
It's candy for the eyes. So if I can figure out, there we go. So if I can figure out how to open it.
I like it.
She like it.
I want the box.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Get your own
Nope.
ambassadorship.
I'm gonna wait for you.
That's it. Anywho, they're called the L'Amour Collection by Vorr Lashes. And we're going to strip this down. Strip it naked. Oh, it's cute. Oh, these are cute. Sorry, I'm looking at it before you guys get to see it. The ribbon is actually still attached to there. It says, welcome to the Vorr Lash experience. And it actually is really, really unique. Something that I have not seen with certain companies. Oh my God, these are so cute. Yeah, these are all, yep, these are my length. Sorry, sis, you don't get them. Lucky me. So you get their glue, which is actually a really dope thing. I actually love the fact that she gives you the option to that she sells it as a palette, which is really, really dope. You're gonna get their lash. You're gonna get their lash glue, and I'm gonna proceed that it's black because it's in a black bottle. So we're just gonna put 2 and 2 together. And then you get some actually sturdy lashes. Yep, didn't count. These are tweezers. Bear with me. It's almost 2 in the morning here, so bear with me. You get some
Moscato's in the house.
that, and look, we had a pajama party, and
Moscato and tequila.
I had Roscato and she had tequila. So this is actually going to be a very dope experience. But I am sober enough to actually do this video. So,
Cut that.
just saying, sober enough to do this video. So they give you tweezers that feel really, really sturdy. They're actually really, really heavy. And they have Vorr lashes on the end, so it lets you know who sent these to you. So I think that's really cool. And let's get into the lashes itself, because the lashes itself are literally lashes that I would wear anyway. And I don't know if there's different packs, but she gave me a little bit of everything. So we're just going to start off. So we're going to start off with naming off the lashes that's on here. So starting off, we have the style called Flare, Romance, and Dreamy. So let's take a look at Flare. Flare is really, really pretty. So I'm actually going to wear these to work tomorrow. And I think I'm going to wear Flare because I'm going to wear Adana again. And Flare looks like she's going to give me that flirty girl vibe. So this was just an introduction of the company and getting you guys familiarized with them, because you're going to be seeing a lot more of them on this channel. So we'll actually do the actual initial try on. Well, not try on, but the actual placement of the lashes. And then we'll do an actual review of the lashes. But this is just an introduction of the company. And like I said, they're so sweet. They're Dallas based and they're Black owned. So that's always a plus. And honestly and truly, just support your local Black businesses, because you'd be surprised. There are so many gems that's out there. And this is actually one of them, and I'm actually thoroughly pleased. I'm actually honored to even be like partnerships ambassador for another company. You know, I started my beauty influencership like about 10 years ago. So to actually get it to this point where I actually get, you know, to get to work with some really dope companies is actually an honor. And I'm super, super thankful for you guys over there at Vorr Lashes. You guys are rock stars, and I hope I make you guys proud with giving y'all some really dope content. So like I said, be on the lookout, because we are going to do way more reviews with this company. Like I said before, I will leave all their details down below. And I believe we have a coupon code. So if once I get it, I will actually place it in the video and in the description box. So if this video is informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,